Hey there, welcome to the Science Center. I'm Eric Burris, resident WESH nerd, and right now, just kind of in awe of these cool looking things. So, Luke from the Orlando Science Center, what am I looking at?
Yeah, so we're talking all about Spark, and of course, at Spark, we love to do our favorite science activities, and this is one of my absolute favorites. These are called Tesla coils, named after one of the founding fathers of electricity, of course, Nikola Tesla. Now, what these Tesla coils do is they create sort of like an artificial lightning,
Okay.
and they do so by changing the frequency at which this lightning is produced.
Sure.
So you can have low amplitude and high amplitude.
Yeah.
And what's really cool about these Tesla coils is that frequency can change pitch.
Okay.
So what we can do with these Tesla coils, which we might show you, is we can actually create different tones and melodies by using these Tesla coils.
Love. Now, we can't be this close necessarily. There's the whole electrocution thing.
Definitely not.
So,
Yeah.
shall we go to mission control it
Let's
here?
do it.
All right. So, you're going to be generating lightning based solely off of this equipment here.
That is correct. So the first thing, of course, I have to do is turn them on now that we're a safe distance away. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on. And you hear that click and the fan's going. So right now they're charging up. They're making sure they have enough power to produce the amps we need in order to create some high voltage.
Sure.
Now, once those charge, of course, we're gonna go ahead and turn them on one by one.
Yep.
And if you look at the far Tesla coil over there, that's the first one we'll pulse. We'll pulse to see if we can get it to turn on. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
There it is.
wow, look at that. So that, I mean, that it looks like lightning.
It does, yeah. It's very similar to the way lightning looks in the atmosphere.
Yep.
We can change the way that lightning